Hello class at 8 student. Welcome to the online classes of Small Wonder Secondary School. Student, today I am going to discuss you a chapter number 12 friction part number 2nd. I hope you clearly understand part number 2, and if you are not watching the part number 1, first you go and read the types of friction and what is friction. Alright student, so in this part we discuss about advantages of friction and disadvantages, what is fluid friction in detail, and comparison between internal and external friction. Alright student, so let's discuss. Okay, first we discuss what is the advantage of the frictional force. Okay, so frictional force is necessary for various purpose. Alright student, okay, so it allow us to walk on the earth surface. Okay, if the frictional, जैसे कि हम move करते हैं, if the frictional force is not present, okay, then how we back our surface and come the next step. Okay, that is not possible, but the force of frictional force is present, so we walk easily on the earth surface, and it allows us to write with the pen or the surface of the paper. Okay, because the pen and the paper are the two surface and they are acting on the opposite direction force, and this is called the frictional force. Alright, it allows us to mix the nail in the wall. ओके, तो नेल को जब हम दीवार पर यानी वॉल पर पुट करते हैं तो उसके लिए भी क्या लगता है, एक डायरेक्शन से हम हैमर से उसको बीट कर रहे हैं, वॉल अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में एक फोर्स अप्लाइड करता है. सो फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन इज वेरी नेसेसरी फॉर लिविंग और वर्किंग ऑन द अर्थ सरफेस. ऑलराइट, a moving object would never be able to come to the state of the rest without of the force of friction. Okay, if the force of friction is not applied on the opposite direction, alright, so if the ball is moving, it continues move and cannot stop. Okay, so frictional force is very useful for in our daily activities. It would not be possible to drive any automobile or on the road without the frictional force, because we are applying a brake on the road, then the vehicle is stopped suddenly. Okay, if the frictional force is not present, then our tire of the any of the vehicle is connect with the surface and they are rough. The surface of the road is very rough and our vehicles having a different gaps present in the design. Alright, आपने देखा होगा कि टायर की जो डिज़ाइन होती है, जितने बड़े टायर्स होते हैं उनमें उतने ज़्यादा ही क्रैक्स बनाए होते हैं, बिकॉज द फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन को इंक्रीज करने के लिए, और इजीली क्या होता है, ब्रेक अप्लाइड हो जाता है एंड किसी भी तरह के डेंजर होने से हम रुक सकते हैं. सो इफ फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन इज नॉट प्रेजेंट देन नो एनी ब्रेक इज अप्लाइड. सो हम ऑटोमोबाइल का यूज नहीं कर सकते, एनी ऑफ व्हीकल्स का यूज नहीं कर सकेंगे. इट वुड नॉट बी पॉसिबल टू कंस्ट्रक्ट एनी बिल्डिंग विदाउट द फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन. ओके, सो दीज आर द एडवांटेज. स्ट्राइकिंग ऑफ द मैच स्टिक. ओके, हम मैच स्टिक को स्ट्राइक करेंगे तो क्या होगी, टू सरफेस अपोज में डायरेक्शन में वर्क करेंगे एंड द मैच स्टिक इज बर्न. सो दिस फोर्स इज वेरी यूजफुल. नाउ spike shoes of cricketers play an important role because they increasing the friction and it help to even controlling their body. All right, we are able to drive automobile, okay, because of the force of friction between the tires and the surface. Writing on the paper also are the example of frictional force. Alright student, so what is the advantage of frictional force? You clearly understand? Now what are the disadvantage? Frictional force result in wear and tear of the object such as the moving part of the machine, the tire of a vehicle and the sole of shoes. Okay, continuous जब हम मूव करते हैं तो हमारे शूज के सोल जो होते हैं वो क्या होते जाते हैं, फ्रिक्शन की वजह से रिड्यूस होते जाते हैं and their surface is very rough after the some time. Okay, so frictional force resulting the wearing and tearing of the object. इट ऑल्सो रिजल्ट इन प्रोड्यूसिंग द हीट. अगर हम बहुत तेजी से किसी सरफेस को रब करते हैं तब क्या होगा, दे इंक्रीजिंग द टेम्परेचर एंड दे प्रोड्यूसिंग द हीट. Okay, so in case of machine, when machine is moving continuously, by the frictional force they are moving part in reducing the heat, and the substance is heat very high and wastage of the energy. The frictional force also lead to be decreasing in the speed of moving object or sometimes stop it. ओके तो हम बहुत सारी चीज को कंटिन्यू मूव रखना चाहते हैं, बट फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स की वजह से एनी ऑफ द सब्सटेंसेस मूव स्टॉप आफ्टर द सम टाइम. ओके, इट आल्सो लीड द नॉइज पोल्यूशन इन सर्टेन केसेस. फॉर इंस्टेंट एयरक्राफ्ट प्रोड्यूस लाउड साउंड ड्यू टू द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द एयर. ओके, when the aeroplane is moving and any jet plane is moving, then the air frictional force, okay, which is the fluid force which is applied in the opposite direction, they produce a very loud sound and which create the noise pollution. All right, look at more forces applied through drive. All right, this is the disadvantage, wear and tear of machine. Okay, हमारे स्टूल जो होते हैं बहुत जल्दी रफ हो जाते हैं. the tire is also rough, causing noise pollution and fire in the forest. Okay, how fire is again, when the sunlight is very high, then the surface is heated, and when the two surfaces rub continuously, then they produce a very high amount of heat and also causes the fire. All right, so these are the disadvantage of the frictional force. How can we reduce the increasing friction? So increasing friction, sometimes we need to increase the friction so that we are avoiding slipping. For the example, the sole of the shoes is grooved so that the frictional between our foot and ground increase and we can walk safely. Alright, तो हमारे सोल पे हम क्या करते हैं, ग्रूव्स क्रिएट करते हैं, लाइक इन अ क्रिकेटर शूज. ऑलराइट, सो ग्रूव्स की वजह से फ्रिक्शन क्या होगा, इंक्रीज होता है and we cannot easily slip on the surface. Okay, so this is very good for our movement. Alright, and if our sole is very smooth, then we easily slip on the even smooth surface or even hard surface. The tire are treated so that they can be better grip over the ground and allow the smooth movement of the vehicles. Okay, look at this picture. यहाँ पर बहुत सारे grooves बने होते हैं. So in grooves की वजह से वो surface के contact में जल्दी frictional force को applied कर देते हैं. Okay, so pattern on the surface of the tire made to increase the friction between the tires and the road surface, and also patterns of the sole of the shoes help to increasing friction with the ground and reduce chances of the slipping. Clear? Brake pad are used for bike to stop them suddenly for moving and increasing the amount of the friction. Kabaddi player rub their hands with the soil, which help to increasing the fluid friction between the hands and allow them to have the easy grip of the opponents. Okay, so आपने देखा होगा कि जो fighters होते हैं वो generally अपनी body पर oiling कर लेते हैं. Okay, so their body surface is very smooth, so anyone affect their body, then उनकी body क्या हो जाती है, slip हो जाती है and they easily run away. So generally जो players होते हैं they are using the powders and soil for making their hand surfaces rough, so they easily hold the things. Alright, now gymnastic also apply the coarse substances so that they can have a better grip or increasing friction in their hands. इसलिए वो gloves like coarse को पहनकर यूज करते हैं ताकि उनकी grip क्या रहे, अच्छी रहे. Alright student, how can we reduce or increasing friction? By reducing friction. First we discuss increase friction. हमने friction को क्या किया था, increase किया था. Now we reducing the friction. Sometime in order to have the smooth movement of the object, we need to reduce the friction. Means if the power of sprinkle over the carom board to decrease the friction between the board and the surface to strike. Okay, if you are playing on the carom board, when we are applying the powder on the carom board, because our carom board surface is rough after the sometime, so we make them smooth, so our strike is very smooth. Okay, This is the very common example you use in our daily life. Alright, so in case of the surface of carom board becomes the smooth. Grease is used in bicycle and other motors on different part of machine to reduce the friction. Okay, when the doors and the machinery portion are creating a noise, okay, irritating noise they are creating, then we applying the oiling. Okay, so applying the grease and oiling which reduce the friction between the two substances and increasing their efficiency. Oil is applied on the hinds of the door so they can be moved easily. Alright student, so by this process we reduce the friction. Applying substance like oil, grease or powder allow in smooth movement and they block the irregularities of the surface. The substance that can reduce the amount of friction between different objects is called lubricants. Okay, so which oil, grease or any substance which we use to smoothing the surface, we call them in term of science lubricants. Okay, what we call lubricants. However, we can never reduce friction on the level of 0 because there are always some irregularities present on the surface. Okay, so frictional force is never come in the point of 0. Alright, remember that. How wheels reduce friction? Look at this picture. In the wheels, ball bearing. This is the ball bearings are present which reduce the friction. We know that when an object rolls over the surface, means rolling, so friction is produced when resist its movement of the surface. However, its magnitude is lesser than the static and sliding friction. Okay, so wheels are circulating object and turn around the center point. Okay, always move in this direction. Look at this, turning. Okay, when this results the less friction and has easy movement of the object. Rolling friction is also used in this part of machine for moving continuously. Okay, this is the rolling friction which is used in the opposite direction of each other. In this way, the sliding friction is removed with the help of rolling friction and therefore the adverse effect on the friction such as the production of heat and wear and tear of machinery parts is also reduced. For instance, ball bearing are being used in fan and bicycle for reducing friction. Okay, so whenever the tire or wheels is moving, then they create a friction between them, and to reducing the friction between the wheels and surface or any of the machinery, we are using ball bearing between the wheels, so they reduce the frictional force and it help to giving a more time to use them, this type of wheels. Alright, and machines are not wear and tear in the case of friction. Now what is fluid friction? Fluid friction we discuss is two types. First is air friction, which caused by the movement of air. Second, which caused by the water, is the viscous friction. So air and water and other liquid collectively is called fluid, and they are exert a frictional force on the object that travel through them. Such a friction is called fluid friction or drag. The amount of frictional force by a fluid on object depend on the following. First, the speed of object with the respect to the fluid. यानी उस substance की. Look at this picture. Like a person is moving in the water. So what is the speed of this person? Okay. Second, the nature of fluid. Okay, fluid are water or oil or any other substance. Okay, yani means their viscosity. How they flow easily. Alright, like honey cannot flow easily, but water flow easily. Oil take less higher time than the water. So their fluid capacity is different. Okay, so this is we call viscosity or a tendency to resist the flow. And the shape of the object. Okay, what is the shape of the object also depend on the fluid friction. So three objects are dependent on the fluid frictions. First, speed. Second is the nature of fluid, and third, shape of the object. Fluid friction comparison, internal and external friction. Fluid comprises of internal friction that occurs between the molecules of the liquid as they also in motion. When viscosity of liquid therefore depend upon the internal friction. And external friction is the force exerted or the fluid on the object that flow through it. Okay, यानी इंटरनल तो उनकी जो मॉलिक्यूल्स के मूवमेंट की वजह से होता है, एक्सटर्नल फ्रिक्शन इंक्लूड होगा फोर्स एक्ट बाय द फ्लूइड ऑन द ऑब्जेक्ट दैट फ्लो इट, यानी वो किस डायरेक्शन में फ्लो हो रहा है. As an object travel in a fluid, it loses its energy in order to overcome the fluid friction. Hence, the things is easily flow in fluid have special shape. Okay, so जब भी कोई substance यानी जैसे कि हम पानी के अंदर स्विमिंग करते हैं, तो स्विमिंग करते हैं, so we are increasing our hands and legs. Okay, spread our hands and legs because we creating our body shape like a fish or like a boat. Okay. So, if we are swimming in the water, our energy is loses because the frictional force applied in the opposite direction. Alright. For instance, ship and boat have a particular shape, so they are reducing the fluid friction. Okay. So their ends are narrow and the middle portion is very broad. Okay. So special shape of the ships and boat are a particular shape, they allow them to resist, यानी रोकना, resist the fluid friction. Birds and aeroplane have also the specific shape, so they fly in the air very easily. Fishes having a shape like this, okay, narrow at the ends and broad at the middle. So this is streamlined body structure is present, so they reduce the fluid friction. All right. So their tail and fish help them to swim easily in the water and even prevent the loss of the energy. Not only this, all the vehicles are designed in way that they can resist the fluid friction because air is present everywhere. Okay, so on every vehicles which not flying in the air but on the road side also air is present everywhere. So air also create the frictional force. So always the vehicle design is made like this, so they reduce the air friction and reduce to their energy. If their energy is lost very high, then the vehicle is not working properly. Alright, so look at this picture, their body shape. Okay, streamlined body, fishes. Okay, birds also having a streamline, and aeroplane is also made like fishes and birds, so they easily reduce the friction of fluid friction. So alright student, I hope you clearly understand the friction and advantage and disadvantage of the frictional force. Alright student, from this part your chapter is over. This is very small and short chapter. I hope you clearly understand this chapter very well. Read your chapter very carefully 2 to 3 times. Alright student, and if you have any problem then ask me the question. Okay, and you got on Friday question answer and your notes to do your work very carefully in your notebook and very neatly. Alright student, so thank you for watching this video.